Welcome everybody, my name is Magnus Schultz and this is my video submission for Project 2 Interact. This is my GPS hero rendering page. As you can see, there's some background that relates to the environment that the GPS would be in and also shows someone holding the GPS and how it fits in the hand. This is the design brief for my GPS, so I looked into the user's needs, who they are, and also some design criteria, so what they require for the GPS in order for it to be designed for hiking use. These are some details of the GPS. So I've incorporated an SOS safety latch to prevent accidental operation of the SOS button. I also have a navigation joystick component that makes it easier to operate and navigate the screen menus. I have a lanyard attachment point that allows the GPS to be mounted or tied to a bag or even the wrist. And also this is a rear view of the grip that just shows how the fingers wrap around them. This is a sequence of use page that showed the task of loading a track from the track's history page, and it shows the sequence of buttons and operations that were needed to load the map, load the track on the final step. Here's some ergonomics that were considered in the design for both right-handed, left-handed, and dual-handed operations. So I've considered button size, button placement, and things that would make it easier to hold. The pictures also show just how the scale and how the device fits in the hand. This is my mood board that represents the colors and themes for my GPS and also the user group. This was some research I did into the user, what they need, the equipment that they bring with them, and the environment that they are in. I also looked into some limiting features and user groups, and a reoccurring problem that I was thinking was people with gloves would struggle to operate the current GPS model, so I designed my buttons to be bigger and easier to use in cold conditions. Thank you for listening. This was my video submission for Project 2 Interact.